Ya Alimu Ya Allah, Ana Abdul Muhammad Suhail Ali. I am servant of constant knowledge Guru Ame only Ketu. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وهو الغفور الودود ذو العرش المجيد فعال لما يريد هل أتاك حديث الجنود فرعون ثمود بل الذين كفروا في تكذيب والله من ورائهم محيط بل هو قرآن مجيد في لوح محفوظ. The Lahoma was created knowledge house, and Al Quran comes from that knowledge house. There is no doubt about that. Allah says, number 2 surah of Al Quran, Surah Baqarah. Alif Lam Mim Zalikal Kitabu la raiba fihi hudan lil muttaqin. Alif Allah Lam La ilaha illallah Mim Ya Masiyu Ya Allah know everything. Alif Lam Mim Allah Lam La ilaha illallah Mim last and best passenger Muhammadur Rasulullah. Now my friends about our science class as a Muslim, we solve the universe. Now we solve the creation pi. Take a hydrogen atom, origin of the universe, origin of the creation pi, and break down the outer. For imagine, break down the outer case. You found the electron. From electron, if you break down the electron, you found the proton, two proton. If you found the break down the proton, you found the neutron fixture, two neutron. If break down the neutron, you found the dark matter. If break down the dark, lighting the dark matter, you found the dark energy. If take the unit of dark energy, break down the unit of dark energy, you found the blue energy. If break down the unit of blue energy, you found the space energy. Creation by space energy. Now, if that you take the hydrogen atom, then outer case energy electron, inner case energy proton, neutron. Break down the neutron, you found the dark quark, dark matter. Lighting the dark matter, you found the dark energy. Dark energy unit breakdown, you found the blue energy. Blue energy unit breakdown, you found the space energy creation pi. Origin of the creation pi. How creator created. If reverse the reaction, you found the creation pi. Hydrogen atom. If found the one single atom, you take the fusion reaction, adding user to hydrogen, found the helium, then how much atom remaining in creator house? That much atom. By that fusion reaction and creator house. If you found the creator house, hydrogen atom, you found the sun, moon, earth made up of it. Then you found the who's for cultivate land, soil, fertile land. How? Soil is atom. Then you found the prokaryotic cell like virus, bacteria. Before bacteria, you found the DNA, RNA virus. RNA virus, DNA virus. Then, for example, bacteria or plasmid. Then you found the prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell like tree, habitable environment of earth. Before hydrogen atom, if you found the hydrogen atom, you found the air component, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. Then you need water, H2O, unit of water. Complex unit of water, H2O. And you found the ocean of earth. Then soil, you found the, then prokaryotic cell like virus, RNA virus, DNA virus, bacteria. Then cultivate the land, eukaryotic cell like tree. Then you found the habitable environment. Then when suitable environment occur in earth, then human come from heaven, first man of the first human or first father of the mankind coming earth. And creator take the exam in heaven, fail that exam. And creator say, go to the earth and give exam. If you pass the exam, then come again heaven. From religious science. Okay, fine. Al Quran, take forward. Now Allah is constant truth, Al Quran is truth. That is the solve of creation pi. How creator created creation pi? What is the origin of the creator pi? Creation pi. Why survive all creation? What is the origin of the creation pi? That is the solve of creation pi. Why survive all creation? Creator created by how creator created that creation pi? Now you draw a circle in that pi. I mean Islam. If we draw a circle, you found the white paper. That is Gaia, white color. Creator real energy, white color. No creation. From that you have central circuit come. If inner pressure given, then inner is a central vacuum. That is the key to real vacuum. Then key to give the key to real energy around side, key to real zero. From zero there is a imagination. Then creation energy, space energy come. First space vacuum, empty space. Then creation space is filled by energy. Now creation zero, creation pi. For example, space energy. Then space energy you need add. Then color fixed blue energy, color code. Cause creator real element contain all color. Then blue you need dark color, deepest blue. Then dark color how come? Still not part. Then dark energy condense dark matter condense you for the dark element or quark adding you found the neutrino. From dark matter condense you found the black hole. From black you found the neutrino. Neutrino adding you found the and fiction you found the proton exchange with fiction you found the electron. Collection of neutron proton in inner nucleus, atomic nucleus, and outer orbit there is an electron you found the atom. What about atomic life? With atomic life, atoms should have also life in inner nucleus or outer nucleus or in atom. If outer nucleus, we understand that maybe inner nucleus of the atom remain atomic life. If found a single atom, then as a scientist you know the fusion decretion can come to all atoms. Kyoto constantly masked that. If revert the direction, for that beginning, origin of the creation pi, that is the cone. Create of real sound energy to how space energy come. Create of sound energy convert to create of light energy. Create of real sound energy. From create of real sound energy, there is a convert. Create of sound energy, real sound energy convert to creation energy, creation sound energy. Then creation sound energy convert to creation light energy. And light energy like space energy. Now my friend and supporter, you solve the creation pi. How? And color how come? That is researchable. How color come? Because Kyoto real everything contain all color, all sense, all dimension. Already MSc thesis theory say that. And take from Al-Quran. By the name of constant, mightyful, graceful, senseful, one and only Creator, Allah. What a fool am I, FWL. My one and only Creator, Allah is constant, beautiful. One and only Creator, Allah is real everything. Yahdiyu, Yallahu, Yabadiyu, Yatallah. Unexplainable, unthinkable, unimaginable. Thank you very much, my friend and supporter. Now, origin of the creation pi, why survive all creation, I try to explain. If come from left side or not left side, not right side or right side, you can testify by DNA test light determination. That is and MSc thesis theory, and that is MSc 007 version of so take from other or understand. If anyone thesis theory, you can justify that. That is you or other. All over the world, universe. Then understand. Also, Sir Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, those are the scientists, this thesis theory, they are or not. Or if other say their name, you can find out that by DNA test light information. Also, in case of MSc representative of MSc Mohammad Shusde, MSc 007 Bashar Mohammad. আর কতকাল ভাইব আমি ওয়ান বেঙ্গল সং আর কতকাল ভাইব আমি দুঃখের সারি গাইয়া জনম গেল মোর ঘাটে ঘাটে হায়রে দেহ তরি বাইয়া আর কতকাল দ্যাট ইজ নট দেহ তরি দ্য সিঙ্গার সে আর কতকাল ভাইব আমি দুঃখের সারি গাইয়া জনম গেল মোর ঘাটে ঘাটে হায়রে क्या है बांगा तोरी बाइया গেসম্মি আইসে আর কতকাল বাইব আমি দুঃখের সারি গাইয়া জনম গেল মোর গাটে গাটে হায়রে দেহ তরি বাইয়া আর কতকাল বাইব আমি আর কতকাল বাইব আমি দুঃখের সারি গাইয়া ইফ 4 বিট কুটুটা 5 বিট আর কতকাল বাইব আমি দুঃখের সারি গাইয়া জনম গেল মোর গাটে গাটে হারে দেহ তরি বাইয়া ইয়া আলিফ লাম নাম হা ইয়া আল্লাহ ওয়াহিদ আল্লাহ সামাদ খালিক মালিক রাজ জুল জালালি ওয়াল ইকরাম and 5 alphabet of Arab ya thumb sign alif index finger lam middle finger lam ring finger ha little finger ya alif lam ya Allah also remain in heart brain in heart fourth chamber alif lam lam ha Allah and the position of the heart show the ya sign ya Allah and in brain diacetyl ya alif lam lam ha for hypothalamus the sign of ya and pituitary gland ha and corpus callosum lam and in dancing there is a alif sign ya alif lam lam ha ya Allah in brain. What about cell? What about A to Z cell? Ya alif lam lam ha lie in the bomb. Thank you very much, my friend. Today is enough from science. আবার ঘন্টা 5 বি আর কতকাল বাইব আমি দুঃখের সারি গাইয়া জনম গেল মোর গাটে গাটে হায়রে জনম গেল মোর গাটে গাটে হায়রে দেহ তরি বাইয়া থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ